Hello Windows 10 users, do you know you can do much more with your Windows 10? You can lock your laptop automatically when you're away from it. You can use system-wide dark mode for better eye comfort, and if you're playing game or doing anything which you don't want to share with others, you can switch to another desktop. So we will talk about these hidden tips and tricks as a Windows 10 users you should know. Hello guys, my name is Vibhav, you're watching VibsTech and let's get started. So the first thing you need to do with your Windows 10 is to update it with latest version, because the tips which I am going to tell you is the latest settings. So to get the same settings you need to update the OS, but these updates you may get after a long time. In this case you can register yourself for Windows Insider build, so you'll be first to get Windows 10 updates. To do that you need to go to settings, click on update and security and click on Windows Insider program, and here you can register yourself for Windows Insider program. Once you click on that, it will give you many options like select the option to get early updates. It will take some time to see the updates. Let it download the latest build with high speed internet. Once it is updated, you can apply these settings which I am going to tell you now. Now you can enable dark mode in Windows 10 settings, File Explorer, Edge browser, and almost everything will be in dark mode. To do that you need to go to settings, click on personalizations. Now click on colors, and in colors you will see three options: light, dark and custom. You can select dark and it will apply a system-wide dark mode on your Windows 10, and it will change the complete look and feel of Windows. Dark mode benefit is that if you are using your laptop in low light, you will not feel the strain in your eyes. So always enable the dark mode. Let's see the next very useful feature of Windows 10. Suppose you are enjoying a movie and suddenly you want to hide it from someone and show them that you're working. You can do that with parallel desktop. To enable that, you will see task view next to start menu. Once you click on task view, you will see you can add multiple desktops. It will be on the top, and from here you can add multiple desktops and work on different desktops, and it will not show that what you're doing in other desktop. To switch between desktops, press Ctrl plus Windows plus arrow key. Like press Ctrl key and Windows key and then press arrow key left or arrow key right. Like this you can keep your work segregated. Another trick is from Windows 7 days, however most of us don't remember these tips, so here I am to remind you. So if you are working on a window and want to focus only on that, but in background many apps and windows are open, so instead of minimizing each window, you can just keep and hold the window you want to focus on and just shake it. All other windows will be minimized, and once you are done, just shake it again and they will be in place. Moving to another feature, you can transparent your command prompt. Yes, sometimes you have to write the exact command which you see on a web page or on a notepad, and switching to that window to see the command is not very convenient. So here you can make your command prompt transparent and it looks different too. To do that, go to command prompt status bar, right click and go to properties. Click on the colors tab and adjust the opacity to 40 to 50% according to your choice. Not only it looks cool to show your geekiness, also it is convenient. Next feature is also a cool trick if you have Bluetooth in your laptop. You can turn on the dynamic lock. Just connect your phone via Bluetooth. To turn on dynamic lock, go to Windows settings, search for dynamic lock and turn it on. What it will do is, as soon as you go away from your computer with your phone, it will automatically lock your computer. This feature is very handy if you tend to forget to lock your computer. And the last feature is storage sense. Like in Android, you use Files Go to clean your phone. You can do the same thing with inbuilt feature in Windows 10. Go to settings and search for storage sense. There it will show you the temp files, so you can easily clear the clutter and keep your Windows clean and lag free. So these were some tips and tricks to help you better use your Windows 10. Hope you found it useful. If you do, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye.